Hello everyone, this
is your daily dose of internet.
They bought some iced tea from Chick-fil-A a few weeks ago, but forgot about it, so it turned into this.
Ew, it turned into jelly. Oh my god. Oh!
She pretended to die to see how he would react.
Oh, she's dead. What's the dog gonna do? Sit there? And just
This
chill.
biker had his head down at the worst time.
Oh no. Oh my!
It was their first
Holy
time showing their
shit,
dog their
dude.
new house that they just bought.
Oh, is it exciting?
Oh! There goes the glass. You should have called it double kill. Yeah, I don't know why they named it that. 2XKO. It's a bit weird, but oh well. Oh, bye bye. Hello.
This kid only has one arm, but is better at basketball than everyone watching this video.
Yeah, that's true. I'm trash at barbecue. Barbecue? I'm trash at barbecue. Basketball.
So, I guess Tesla coil dancing is a thing.
Oh my, what? It has rhythm to it. Oh!
This guy got a really bad leg cramp.
Oh, fuck that. Oh, that must hurt like hell, dude. Oh my god.
This might be the best sport ever invented.
What the fuck? It's boxing mixed with soccer.
He really tried to jump all the way to the window.
Just another day in Russia. Oh my god. Whee!
This baby chicken was confused and thought it was a duck.
Oh, he has a new family now.
That water finna start cutting up in that grease. Yeah.
Oh my.
He had an allergic reaction that made his forehead really squishy.
Oh.
Let's do it up here.
He's gonna eat shit. Oh my, oh, okay. Oh, big splash.
This cop pulled this guy over, but let him go when it suddenly started to hail.
He didn't want to deal with the weather. But yeah, nah, I'm good. You're free to go.
Hey, today you are saved by the hail. You've been saved by the hail.
Damn.
This NFL team was showing off their new helmet when this happened.
Uh-oh. Kitty. Oh my god.
There's a grocery store in Germany that has baskets that indicate that you are single and you want to be flirted with.
Huh? Oh, hell no. Hell no. That is awkward as fuck. What the hell?
This
We thought that was a good
actress
idea.
pretended that she was hurt to try and flirt with a paramedic that was on site.
I sprained my ankle, it hurts really bad. Stay with my
Can you put weight on this leg here?
Oh my god. That's crazy, man. Oh my god. It built a store for dating. Ay ay ay.
I think you putting your weight on the. Oh,
Okay, can I just tell you that I really just wanted to ask if you were single?
Oh.
I'm not saying.
Oh my
Ankle's not twisted?
No, I'm fine.
They
Wow.
somehow managed to get the entire railroad barrier inside their car.
Never.
Huh?
Never. How, bro? How, bro? Hey, Mercedes.
Believe it or not, that's how people. Yeah, I know that. I know that people met at like grocery stores and stuff, but to build a grocery store that's built around dating is weird. Like, there's nothing wrong with finding someone at a grocery store. Love can be anywhere, but actually building a dating themed grocery store is just weird to me.
How can I help?
Eject the passenger seat.
What?
No, you can't do that.
Okay, I will start the ejection seating.
No, don't do that.
10, 9, 8. No, I'm just joking.
Oh.
This might be the most random thing to ever happen at a match.
What the fuck? Wait, what?
This empty boat that had nobody on board got destroyed by this giant wave.
Like, always? That's insane.
This driver in
Hi,
China
lovely.
almost got buried by this
How you
landslide.
doing? Damn, that was lucky. Very
I think
lucky.
his parents gave up on their child. This giant chain of ants invaded this wasp nest.
Invasion time. You doing good? I'm good, I'm good. I gotta prepare for Tuesday. 24-hour stream on Tuesday. Woo.
I have never seen a cat get food
Look how beautiful he looks. Oh my god. That's a beautiful cat.
so badly.
Tuesday, innit? Oi, bruv. Go down the pub on Tuesday.
Oh my gosh, it's a Thomas the Train.
Oh my god, that's cool.
That is the cutest.
The party train.
It's a party train.
Oh my god.
They were preparing for an interview, and she let out the worst laugh I think I've ever heard.
So my personal philosophy of rehabilitation.
Oh my god. Ooh. I mean, he kind of saved
They
it.
walked into their hotel room and found a giant roach on their bed.
Ah! Ah!
Maybe that's roach.
Ah!
So this is pretty crazy. This bus driver sent out an urgent message for other drivers to
Have
see.
jury duty? Just lame.
Hey, bro, check it out. I just bought some apples.
Why do you like this
And
photo?
one of them still has the leaf in it. Oh my god, it looks just like the way that you
Dude, cut your nails! Oh my
like in
god,
cartoons,
dude.
man.
Imagine sitting in traffic and seeing a
I
monkey
hate
go
long
over your head like
nails.
this.
I don't know how people can do that.
I just landed back home in Chicago, but the cool thing is that on the way over, we flew over Greenland. So I recorded this video footage of what a giant glacier looks like from a plane.
Rubik's Cube. Oh, there goes his phone. Damn! Wait! Ooh!
Storm is a brewing. Are we getting out? Oh! ¿Qué pasó? Bye.
Oh,
Imagine
bye.
being this dumb and gullible.
I should do that with Carlos. Oh, bye, cat. Howdy, partner. Oh.
Oh, you found
What?
your moo.
The
Good
fuck?
job. Where'd that come from? Oh, wow.
For some reason, their GPS navigator person
Zesty
started
ass
glitching out.
move.
Take the exit onto I-80.
The fuck?
On Ohio Turnpike.
Just gave up. You're like, what the hell is this human doing? GPS is a freak.
Somebody messed up my sign. You know, being in real estate, you have to have a really thick skin and a great sense of humor.
Have a good on the ball. Don't let go of the bat. Let's go, kids. Swing with a purpose.
Didn't even move. Oh.
His washing machine started going
I need that drink. Give me that drink.
crazy.
Wait, why is the washing machine in the kitchen? What the fuck? What is this layout? Oh god, it's coming for ya. It's coming for ya.
Grandma's ashes with some emotional music when they got interrupted by a Spotify ad.
What?
This is the quickest way to clear out stuck poop.
The #1 food for regular beings.
That's a Spotify ad? Jet 2 holiday.
This guy decided to buy himself a cake for no reason at all.
Thank you for all you do. Who's that for?
For myself.
You bought this for...
It's for myself! He's so happy about that, dude. It's for myself!
Who's that for?
For myself.
You bought this for...
Aw, that's cute. Damn! Oh!
This plane spotter tripped and fell when he tried recording this plane.
Oh! Oh my god! They took someone with them!
This live streamer somehow got struck by lightning inside of his own house.
I mean, obviously it's
Oh, I
running
saw
left
this. This is crazy. It goes through his
at
earphones.
the moment, so it's gonna be better. Might.
Insane.
Bro, I just got struck by lightning.
This dog always sits with the family at dinner time, but on this occasion, the rest of the family was late.
Oh, he's the first one there. Aww. He's all alone. Aww, he's just waiting.
So this is how cleanups are done after a concert.
Oh, people are so disgusting. Like how people just bring their rubbish with them, put them in a bag, and then throw it out. Like, why do you gotta throw it on the floor? Why? Why can't we be normal humans and take our rubbish with us and throw it out later? Why we gotta let other people do it? Oh, fishies.
I can see why this type of dog is called a German short-haired pointer.
You be pointing? Keep it pointing.
These ducks were absolutely mesmerized by this yo-yo.
Ooh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, I like the scratchies. Ooh, like it. Oh, what the?
Guys.
This guy in a boat wanted to participate in the morning yoga.
This is triangle pose. A pose that energy is shooting forward, back, up, and down.
Oh!
This dog might be a skinwalker.
Oh, what the fuck? Hell no. Why is he walking so slow? Hi. Ugh.
Yes! 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 Yes!
I just found out that carrots can grow in really weird ways.
Here's the
Oh
first
yeah, there's
one.
some weird carrots I've seen.
Second one gets a little weird. Third one gets a little weirder. And the fourth
Oh
one
my
braided
God.
himself.
This aquarium in China does some crazy underwater dances.
Oh shit.
A lot of you have been asking how tall I am. I am almost 6 foot tall, which you all think is so ginormous. This is my baby sister. Oh, sorry, I didn't see that.
He started recording because he didn't think that this truck was going to make it.
Oh! And it did not. Oh, he broke the trampoline.
So why does this dog look like a llama?
The llama dog. You need you a tall bitch.
Little Richard, you look like a llama.
This is my
You like
gaming
tall
PC.
girls?
Well, one of them. I have another one down here. But... Oh.
Nice. There's a side panel. Oh! Oh!
This dog was terrified of this cat.
My god, whee! Dolphins are doing front flips. Damn!
That is the end
like
of this
them
video.
tall
Hope I
and
made your day
mean.
just a little better. And I'll see you guys again
Very soon. Later.